All right, how to sign up 65 people wearing pink with barbecue flavored sauce skin coloring. I'm trying to dial in this light that I bought from Walmart for 25 bucks so you can change the tint. See, like, oh, there, I look like Radiation Man. I don't know. I don't know which one to use. Oh, that one's just crazy. All right, well, I'll figure it out. Anyway, you can wear pink and get sign-ups and being a dude. You don't have to be like a cute little person named Lola. Okay? Little petunia pink. All right? I dig this hat, man. I'm being myself, and that's the best way to be if you're going to promote Save Club. Okay? With video, people can hear your voice, see your mannerisms. Do you talk with your hands? Do you like to go like this to your chest and groan? All right? Do you decorate your walls like a third grader, even though you're almost 60? I can understand that, kid. All right? But if you just act yourself, be yourself, dress like yourself, and just speak or just chat to the best of your ability, either on a video or maybe it is through the keyboard, all right? The more comfortable you are, you're going to follow through with actually posting and just talking about this Save Club opportunity, but you're probably going to start having fun. And believe it or not, I think it's kind of like therapy, because a lot of people, when you get older, or maybe, I don't know, you don't leave your place as much. It could be an apartment, a house. It's just kind of fun to chill, make something nice to eat, nice to drink, maybe take a nice shower, then sit and maybe watch a movie and just relax. Okay? And that's when you have spare time. You know, obviously, if you're a mom, dad, you work full time, you got to do what it takes to support your friends and your family and whatnot and pay your bills. But when you have a couple extra hours, it is nice to relax, put on some little pajamas, maybe put some slippers on, get something comfortable like the $6 bad boy Walmart shirt that I just bought and cut the shirt sleeves off. But you know what you need to do? You need to promote and get good at one thing, just one thing with Save Club, okay? And make it to where it's fun. Make it to where it's relaxing. It could be therapeutic. You'll start meeting people worldwide. You'll start talking to either a webcam like this, like it's real. You know, I can speak to a webcam better than a real person. Like if a real humanoid or a cave person, caveman, or a dinosaur walked in, I have a harder time relating to that. I like talking to my webcam because it doesn't talk back. All right, I can say whatever I want right now. And if I don't like it, I can just hit re-record, I guess. You know, I can hit stop, delete, record. And whatever I just messed up on, okay, it's gone. If I record something like right now, and you need to sit on it for a day, then do so. And then upload it to YouTube. Maybe put it up on a social media platform like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Okay? But you can practice and you can be nervous. And if you don't start posting online because you're embarrassed to talk about Save Club, or maybe you don't like your barbecue colored face in your pink sexy hat, I get it. But then upload it. And you're going to sit like this and go, okay, friends, family, okay, I'm probably going to lose my job. I'm going to lose my sanity. My friends are going to call me up and tease me. Oh my God, my world's going to fall apart if I do a post about Save Club. Okay. And then you start posting like I do. You know, I've already done like 100 and something videos, and I'm only on like week number 2, going on week number 3. I'm going to make thousands of videos. Okay. I did with Live Good. All right. I set that baby on fire, sign up over 400 people, have a nice income coming in each month. And I'm going to do the same thing with Save Club. And I want you to come along. Okay. I've learned a lot over the last 2 years with Live Good. And since this is almost an identical structure to where if you just invite people to watch a little video, and if you like what you see, put your information in this little box and hit boom, get an email, and you can sign up through there. You can start saving money. Okay. There's a lot of savings right now in America, but we're in the pre-launch phase. This is where we're building momentum for affiliates. Okay. No matter what, 1 to 2 million people are going to sign up and just save money worldwide. But almost every other opportunity that are Save Clubs like Groupon, Rock On, Party On, whatever, Tampon, there's a lot of groups out there, but not with the momentum and the steam and the affiliate type of pay plan that we have with this opportunity. People want to save money no matter what. It is not a fad. It is not disco, the pet rock. Okay, the CD is not going to turn into the MP3, and I don't even know what the MP3 is going to turn into because there's really nothing. You just kind of hit play and it plays, okay, without actually holding something like a CD or an album or a cassette, okay? But you've got to start somewhere, okay? And it's fun to have support. I want you to join my team because I specialize more with people that are new, maybe a little shy, okay? Are you an introvert, extrovert, or are you a pervert? I think I'm all three, depending on what day it is and if I have pink slippers on or pink hat. I think I'm a pervert excavert. I'm something that ends in vert, I think. I'll have to get to the old dictionary and check it out. But I know that if you have a little fun and just post the best way you can, you'll start feeling better about yourself. You know how to type. You know how to answer. You're not shy if someone goes, hey, Cory, what's going on with this? Or is there a pay plan link that I can just click? All right. Is India, Africa, or all these little chunks of dirt on planet Earth going to be available? And I just go, guys, go to support@saveclub.com. If you want to get your business on the, just inside of the membership platform, support@saveclub.com. Okay, I'll do the best I can to answer from a marketing perspective. Like, okay, what kind of webcam do you have? That $24 light that makes you look like a barbecue-faced, pink hat wearing rocker dude. Okay, where do you get it? Walmart, Amazon, $25. What about your webcam? Well, Logitech C920. That's what it says on the outside. I think I paid $65 or $70. All right. How do you do video? Well, I hit record and I talk. And if I screw up, I still upload it. If I have to pick my nose and go like this and put the booger in my ear to save it for later, I just keep it in the video. Because while other people are editing and doing thumbnails and just taking all day to make one video, guess what? I'm making 5 to 7. The other day, I made 14 videos in one day. Okay, yesterday, I did a handful of videos. And guys, I signed up 3 people over the last day or so, and I didn't even have time to work the business because we have an automated email system, an autoresponder. So when you become an affiliate for $60, you have a badass website. You have a capture page where you just put your information in. A video is already produced for you. Okay, and that autoresponder is just churning out an email once a day for people that pre-enroll. Okay, I want you to look into this. Okay, go to ilovesaveclub.com. Click that right now. I want you to just watch this video. It's our founder. His name is Charles Moy. All right, he's going to tell you about the opportunity. You can fast forward, rewind. It's a YouTube video. If you like what you see, guys, fill in this little area right below me. Okay, hit the orange button. You're going to get 1 email per day for 30 days. Or you can just open up the email you're going to receive and join from there. Get a username, a password, configure your back office. Okay, because I want you guys to get some signups and having some fun. Okay, I joined about 2 weeks ago, and I think I've already had 60. I can't remember now. I got to hit refresh. Where am I at here? Okay, it looks like 65 people have already signed up. I've already made a couple $1,000 just with the affiliate pay. I didn't know they were going to really pay so soon. But, I was listening to Charles the other day, and he's like, you know what? I just sped up the process. The first week, if you guys signed up, I just said, hey, you know what? Start paying. So a week ago, I got money, and I was shocked. I looked at my account, my checking account, because I configure my bank with, how to get paid. And I look at it, I'm like, God, am I off that much? And my gosh, I opened up my bank.com. I won't say my bank account info, but I went, I'll be damned. And then I logged in to the My Earnings, and I'm like, wow. And then a day or so ago, I made another $935. I'm just like, wow, to make a couple grand in 2 weeks. What is that? $4,000? If is there 4 weeks in a month or a year? I'd have to look that up. But I'm like, my gosh, I'm just half-assing right now, having fun, saying, guys, just go to Save Club. On a street level, you know what I do? This. I show them this. ilovesaveclub.com. I went to Vistaprint, paid $22 for those cards, delivered to your door. I bought I Love Save Club for it was $12 and 17 pennies with tax and everything. And then GoDaddy forwards that domain for free because I don't need hosting and everything. Well, GoDaddy, I already have the website. I paid $60. I got this badass website here. Check it out. Everything. You go to the My Deals page to check out all the deals everywhere on planet Earth. Just put in a zip code. Now, just remember this, because I'm getting emails every day all over the world at this point. They're just asking, okay, are we in Singapore? What's going on in the Philippines with this hotel? Okay, what's going on in Utah where I live? Well, right now, there's a lot of opportunity to save money in America. But we're going to go up to Canada, Mexico. We're going to go to UK, all over Asia. Because right now, one of our biggest sign-up areas, regions, is Malaysia and the Philippines. I haven't even brought up Australia, mate. New Guinea, New Zealand, and hauling ass over to Africa. Holy crap, that's a big piece of dirt that wants to save money. All right, all these regions on the planet. All right, we're going to have a lot of fun with this, guys. Okay, yes, there has been savings clubs. There's been Groupon. There's been all these other opportunities to save money. Great. But there's never been an affiliate like this. There just hasn't. We've already signed up thousands of people. We're paying out thousands of dollars already, and we haven't even officially launched till June 1st. Now, today is May 11. All right, it's 5/11/25, and it is Mother's Day. So if you have a mama, did you pop out of a mama? I did. She just sat down, rubbed her little belly, and I came out in an egg. That's right. My mom gave birth to me via egg surrogate. That's right. She was hanging out with some quacker. I think his name was Donald. I don't know. He might have been a duck or something. But anyway, yeah, I came out of mama clear back in the 60s. I'm almost 60. And I have 65 people signed up. That's 360 references, guys. Now, I wish I was not 60. I wish I could say, okay, I've got 30 years of age. I got 30 signups, and I've made 30 grand. That would be cool. I can always get signups. I know how to get signups. I'm pretty good at it. So if you sign up in my group, I want you to do what I do. I just want you to copy. We'll see how to get people to email you so you can email them back. We'll get people to get a hold of you in the inbox so you can go ahead and write them back by going like this to your boogers. All right? And I just want you to invite people to click a link to watch that video of Charles Moy and done. I don't want you to do anything else because you'll mess it up. Talk about the pay plan. Let people go online. All right? Once they watch that video, the whole pay plan is explained. If they don't understand, if you don't understand, just watch it again and again. And when you sign up and you make a couple grand like I have, guys, it's all figured out anyway. All right? So let's earn and then learn. Okay? Everyone learns. They learn for 2 or 3 months. And before they know it, they haven't even made like $50 yet. Okay? It's very satisfying to make $1,000 a week. And I'm just half-assing this, having fun. And you can do the same, but you have to. You have to be an affiliate. You must come up with 3 $20 bills. You must come up with another 20 because then I give you 3 cents back. $19.97, that's all it costs to save money on things you're already buying or going to buy in the future, like vacation, hotels, tires, I don't know, adult products. Who knows? You need things that vibrate. I don't know. Look online. Maybe there's something from, I don't know, Happy Gilmore's House of Adult Toys. I have no idea. But Walmart's there. Lowe's is there. Burger King is there. You can get a Whopper. Why, I don't know, getting a Whopper. I don't know. Who knows what? I own 4 Hummers. Man, I don't know if I can get a deal on a Hummer. But if I can, I'm going to have to go to Save Club and, I don't know, see if I can get a flight down to Vegas, get a hotel on the Strip. I'll take a lift to the airport because all these businesses are inside the Save Club. And when I'm down there, maybe I can find a Hummer that's affordable and I can get a discount. Wouldn't that be nice? And I'm doing a video like this on Mother's Day. I hope my mom, you know what, she just hopped on a boat. She's on a cruise right now with my sister, my younger sister, and my brother's daughter. I can't remember, is she my niece and her granddaughter? I have to explain it long way. My brother, who's younger, has a daughter. And my sister, who's younger, who came out of my mom, is now on a big-ass cruise ship celebrating Mother's Day. Okay? So if you're a mom out there, high five. All right? If you gave birth via egg or surrogate or just right out the wahoo, awesome. Because without moms, we would not be here. I don't care who you are. You can be a snake, a giraffe, a leopard. You can be a bat. You had to come out of mama. All right? So let's celebrate moms and have some fun. Okay? Let's save some damn money. There's nothing wrong with that. Let's have some fun and make some money. Make some money so you can spend money, but save on that money too. Okay? All right, let's end this 15-minute little session up. I'm done. I'm fired up, baby. I got my pink hat on. I'm ready to go breakdance in a G-string outside so my neighbors can hose me off because it's 90 degrees outside. And I can work on my sexy tan. All right, guys. Here's my card. Watch it pop up. Watch, I snap my fingers and watch what happens. Isn't that cool? Watch, I can make it disappear. Well, watch this. You want to see it again? Boom. Boom. Look at that. The power of CGI. All right, guys, I love saveclub.com. Go there right now. I want you to watch that video on the left. I want you to fill out all this information on the right. Hit that orange button. Get a hold of me. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. And if I'm on Facebook screwing off, which I do all day, get a hold of me there too. I ain't shy, guys. No one's ever accused me of being shy. Ask my mom, who's on a cruise boat. Okay, having fun celebrating her day. Thanks for the time, guys. And get a hold of me if I can help you. But join now. All right, let's make some money. Let's have some fun. See you guys. Bye.